See how we go this time. Just tighten up that a minute, really. Don't see. It might go, might go. Just catching a bit somewhere, aren't we? Like string's just tied on, isn't it? At the minute, we've just tied string on to chassis, just to try and get it right. And ramps at the back here, the full of paint and that, and the sticky. Just want tweaking a bit. But we are getting in the ballpark with it, aren't we? So we've done quite a bit at it. And playing about with geometry and then tension at string and brackets, just tweaking them here and a tweak there, just to get it thing. Just give us form. Like you said, on back end here, we've made all new brackets for the bottom at ramps. We've just put one ram back, and on side put brackets on. I don't know with this side here. I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it's perfect, but just put in comments and let us know what you think. They are working ramps, and it is on a Carson trailer, which you don't really see a lot of. I've seen them on the internet and people doing them and some good ideas, but you don't really see them. So just tip it over and have a look underneath and see what we've done. And all we've done, we had them working on Monday. They weren't working very well, but they worked. So then we just have to keep tweaking stuff, like put a new knuckle on here, altered this knuckle here, motor mount. I'm still gonna have to play about with that, how we mount it, whether it wants lifting up a bit or what. It's this motor's actually been up and down 1,000 times now. It's been getting it's been under pressure and stressed and twisted and abused, to be honest. Bearing blocks originally put in on Monday, Tuesday. That is all right. Fresh barring, screws through into here. Like I say, it's a bit tight, that shaft, so we'll probably just have to adjust that a bit. The biggest issue's been getting geometry right for flipping ramps out. It's a totally different design to what my own ramps are. They've got it all mounted, and I've tried to keep it as original as possible without cutting great big lumps of trailer away and one thing and another. So we just made brackets which are very similar to what I fit on my ramps. It works well. Anyway, just had to tweak them a bit, a few millimetre here. Probably had to make some more brackets, just a touch longer, just to give it a bit more of a throw. Move this back probably up a touch, if anything. Just gets a bit centred when they get out and struggles. Like I said, I think that's where we're up to now, and I think I'm just going to leave it for a day or two and have a think about it and keep trying it, and you know, and then see where I go from there. I think you'll agree. I think we've kept back end pretty much as it should be. You know, we haven't cut lumps out at the back and everything else. I mean, I've even managed to leave all stickers in place that come with. Like I said, I didn't really get the two rams on it. The other one weren't doing, we're doing nothing. To be fair, I think it looks all right with one on. I think that's the best idea there. Again, brackets. These brackets will still slide, and the ramps will still slide in, so you can move them in and out, you know. And we're having these turnbuckles on. you know, and the bearings in them, you can actually push them in and pull them out, and it does still work same way, you know. They still go up, they still go down, and that. The brackets up top here, I've just packed this with a couple of washers now, that basically just to pack it up and see what sort of measurement, and then we'll have to make some brackets and machine some up that fit. I'm very pleased with look of it. I'm very pleased with look at back end. I'm quite amazed that I've managed to keep them where they will slide in and out as well. So it's I think that's a bonus. To be honest, I never really expected. I thought I'd lose that, and they'd just have to be sat in one position. But you do need to move them a lot. But if you're putting big machines on, and you want to drive your crawlers on and stuff like that, I suppose it is handy. Other than that, apart from more holes than enough drilled in it, you know, but that's the nature at base. The first one's always going to be like that. You put things on and you change things. So if you have any thoughts on it, or well, just let us know what you think in comments. Any feedback's good feedback in it, you know. And like I said, I'm just going to give it a couple of days, see what people say about it, what they think, what their overall view is, and then I'll take it from there. I have a couple of other ideas, but they do involve like cutting lumps out at back and moving ramps and putting my own ramps on. But to be honest, I'm just moving away from putting my own ramps on. I don't think it. I think it looks well, as they are, and you know, I don't think it's so bad. I think it's something I will probably do at some time, but I wouldn't say I'm in a big rush. I think the turnbuckle idea and this idea down here, you know, it's not really ideal. You don't really see many low loaders flying about roads with that type of thing on, but also you don't really see them with a great big bar like that either. So I think it is a bit of a compromise. And yeah, I think I can live with it. Like I think my partner said earlier, if you paint them orange, you probably not notice them same. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Probably do if we update it anymore, we'll do another video on it and keep it updated. But if you have any comments or any thoughts on it, or whether you think it looks right, if it looks bad or wrong, put it in comments. Let me know, and see where we go from that. Thanks for watching and taking your time, and we'll catch you later.